the issue about fuel has a lot to do with transportation, but a lot to do with the welfare of Kenyans also. So as the government negotiates with our brothers in the transport sector, remember the buck will stop with you paying the fare. So a vehicle is a vessel to transport you. They will just build the rise in cost of fuel as part of their cost. And then they'll do a cost push inflation on your fare. That's why I want to reiterate and confirm to all of you my proposals to Parliament of cutting VAT in the meantime from 8% to 0. Number 2, of reducing fuel levy by 7 shillings. 3, of agitating for the cut in the profit margins of the people involved, and of getting an extra 5 billion from Fuel Stabilization Fund to subsidize diesel